pa siya. Isa pa. Yan na, roll na yan.
Sa dami nang nangyayari sa mundo ngayon, no? Ang dami-daming issues, ganyan. I think everyone needs positivity and a different point of view.
Being in a world which allows everyone to be their true and authentic selves.
Decided to choose yourself.
It's love. Love has no discrimination.
Kailangan talaga o yung strong.
When you're a mom, you know, there's something wrong. So I had to do. Pero good thing was, I made peace to myself. Hindi ako galit sa kanya.
Welcome back to Positively Bien. Welcome back to Positively. Welcome back to Positively Bien. Welcome back to Positively Bien. Today's episode is one that speaks really straight from the heart. My gosh. I'm joined by my dear friend, Princess, a woman of quiet strength, deep compassion, and unshakable grace. Princess once built a life around love and family, but when love no longer felt like those, she made the hardest decision of all: to walk away. Now living apart from her children and facing the ongoing challenge of co-parenting with her ex-husband, who currently won't allow her to see her children, Princess chooses each day to live with self-love, forgiveness, and unwavering faith. This is not a story of separation. It's a story of reclamation, of choosing peace over chaos, clarity over fear, and wholeness over pretend. So Princess, by the way guys, Princess is also one of our artists at Lactai Entertainment. She's an amazing singer and performer. And Princess, super thanks for joining us here on Positively Bien on some of our first few episodes. So thank you for supporting our channel.
Thank you. Surprised nga ako pero na-touch ako sa message mo.
Ay, grabe naman.
I can't say no.
Touch ka talaga.
Oo, grabe. Yung nakita niya sa akin, sige na nga, go push.
Hindi kasi friend, talagang ramdam ko. I mean, being your friend, someone who really knows you, in a way, I feel your pain. I feel when you're joyful. And somehow this connection that we have, I want you to share your story, or at least how you've coped with life to our viewers. So let's first start with how you got to that point. How you got to the point when you realized this is it.
We tried a lot of times to fix things. But that time, that very event, sinama ko siya para thinking na this time, baka maayos na.
So this was our out-of-town gig sa Palawan, right?
Yes, it was New Year's countdown.
Yeah.
So di ba I asked you to bring him.
Yes. I remember na talaga. Okay.
To bring him para makasama ko siya. Kasi nga, madalas, hindi kami magkasama for New Year. So this is the time na sinabi ko, baka this is it.
Mm-hmm.
Ayusin namin, we'll fix this. And then maybe if we'll create a great memory, a wonderful memory, then it will be a start.
Okay.
Kaso lang, when the hotel manager told us na we won't be playing during the countdown kasi they want us to enjoy that moment, the fireworks. For the first time sa countdown ng buhay ko, parang wow. So I asked him, sabi ko, halika, tabi tayo. Let's enjoy the countdown. Let's enjoy the fireworks. Sabi niya, ay hindi, doon ako mag-video. Sabi ko, hindi mo kailangan kasi enjoyin natin. Sabi, hindi. Ko, bakit? Para saan? Para pa-post ko. Para makita ng mga office mates ko. So, oh my God. Sabi ko, actually, hindi yun first time na ginagawa niya sa akin. Na mas importante ang pagpo-post at pakita sa ibang tao. Pakita yung social media was important to him. So, sabi ko, doon ko na-realize na hindi na. Ilang beses ko na sinubukan na maayusin. Ilang beses ko na tinay na mag-start kami, making new memories, kasi wala eh. I felt na it was just me trying to fix things. So yun na yun, yung moment na yun na I was looking at him, I was watching the fireworks, and I said, oh my goodness, this is it. Tatapusin ko na lahat na occasion sa family nila, then I'll leave. Kasi wala na akong makitang reason
So, hindi ka naghiwalay dahil doon, but that is more of a sign siya.
A sign,
What
yeah.
happened there, that was the sign you were waiting for na ito na talaga.
Yes, for the million times.
Mhm.
Ilang beses ko siya binigyan ng chance to fix things. But it was so difficult because I felt I was alone in fixing it. So yun, that was the moment.
So, how did you process this realization after that? So you told him a few weeks later, nasabi mo sa, you didn't break up naman that night, di ba?
No, months.
Okay. So yun yung turning point, pero hindi ka naman agad-agad nag-act on yet.
No.
Okay.
What I did was, pag pauwi na siya, aalis ako.
Mhm.
Pag wala akong gig, aalis ako.
Okay.
Manunod ako ng sine.
Mhm.
Kasi alam ko, 12, nasa bahay na siya by 7, matutulog siya ng 12.
Mhm.
So, by 6 o'clock, aalis na ako. I'll call my sister.
Okay.
Na,
So, dinelay mo pa? Hindi mo pa sinabi agad?
Oo, hindi pa.
Ano, you were still hoping na may mamaayos pa or something? I thought that was your turning point na.
Hindi, meron pang another chance.
Okay, another.
Another chance.
Malay
which
mo,
wa-
di ba? Okay.
Oo, which was, it was about my dad.
Okay.
Dad's, basta I asked for help and he didn't help me until he saw na I was really down. And then later I found out na he was hiding something.
Okay.
Na doon ko na-realize hindi ko siya masandalan.
Okay. Alright.
So naging na siya, nakikita ko na lahat ng mali na sinabi sa akin ng mga friends and family ko. Doon ko na nakita lahat. Para siya na-zoom.
So, ito yung mga dapat na red flags before you get into a relationship which you didn't see and now suddenly you can see all of them. Ganun ba yun?
Yes, oo. Ang dami siya eh. Choosing my friends, may time na ayaw niya. Alam mo, dadaan na lang kami sa bahay sa isang place. Sasabay yung kaibigan ko. Doon kami dadaan. Sasabihin niya sa akin, wag mo siya isama. Wag siya isasabay.
Okay.
Isasabay. Kung ba't di mo siya sasabay, doon din naman daan natin eh.
Mm.
Ayoko. So yung mga ganun na, bakit ganun? Ang dami ko nakikita, parang lumaki siya, na nakikita ko na parang may mali. Na that was the time na I felt, parang I don't have a partner.
Okay.
It was more of business.
Alright. Oh, wow. That's something.
Yeah, it was really, later ko na-realize na it was not a partnership, we're not even a team, but it was more of a business. Kasi even asking for groceries, sisingilin niya ako eh.
Mm. Oh, wow.
Yes.
Hindi ko alam yun Okay.
Yes, oo.
Okay.
Tapos ang pagsingil niya, umaga, gabi pa yung event.
Okay.
So yung parang feeling ko, I was working. I have to work. Kasi if not, kanino ko sasandal?
So, ano yung feeling na yun, no? When you finally decided, what was the feeling of walking away from that life that you were you kind of used to, right? But you decided to choose yourself.
Honestly, hindi ko nakita pa.
Okay.
Lately ko lang nakita yung,
Natama yung decision mo.
yes.
Okay.
Hindi ko pa nakita nun. It took a while for me to see.
So the whole
and
time you
realize-
felt that I might have made the wrong decision.
No.
Yung
Wala.
ano yung feeling mo nung humiwalay ka?
It was like, I have to do this. I have to do this.
Mhm.
This time, eto na yon. Wala nang makakapigil, wala nang mag-aano sa akin, mali o no, eto na yon. Wala na outside forces, wala. It was me deciding na this is it. Hindi ko na inisip yung consequence.
Okay.
Kasi alam mo yung napuno ka na, nalulunod ka na,
Mhm.
kailangan mo talagang tumayo.
Mhm.
Hindi ka pwede lang na sumabay na lang para mabuhay. Pero kailangan mong umangat sa tubig kasi
Okay.
lunod na lunod.
Alright. That's how it
ako.
felt
Yes.
before you decided to walk away.
Yes.
Alright.
Even nung umalis
Pero
na ako,
nung umalis ka,
focus ako sa goal ko
okay.
na I have to make this decision. No turning back.
Okay.
No matter what will happen, no turning back. Nakaganon ako eh.
Mhm.
Para akong, parang horse.
Okay.
Nakaganon ako. Di na ako tumingin sa kanan, sa kaliwa.
Because
Diretso.
you had to survive.
I have to. Kasi I was losing myself.
Okay.
I was losing myself. I was doubting myself.
Mhm.
And I was thinking for my children. Kasi isa rin pala sa, okay, yung pinaka last na yon, umalis na ako, was when we were fighting secretly.
Mhm.
And then he was provoking me.
Okay.
He was provoking me. And my youngest was there. So sabi ko, wag tayo mag-away. Andyan yung bunso.
Okay.
Talaga, hindi. Kailangan, ganoon. He was provoking me. No. Nandyan yung bata. Wag tayo mag-away.
Mhm.
Hanggang sa sinabi ko, alam mo bang tiniis kita? Alam mo hindi na kita mahal?
Oh my God. Okay.
Alam mo, all the time, ilang buwan na ako nagtitiis, nagkukunwari okay tayo.
Mhm.
From December 30, actually before that pa eh.
Mhm.
Pero nag-decide na talaga ako was December 31 up to March. Alam mo, tinitiis ko lang, tatapusin ko lang yung wedding ng kapatid mo.
Okay.
And goodbye, hindi na ako babalik.
Okay. Nung nasabi mo yan, hindi pa wedding ng kapatid mo.
Hindi pa.
Oh my God.
Days before, sinabi ko talaga sa
Okay.
kanya. At gagawin ko. And my daughter was there. Na I didn't want to say it. But, kasi alam mo yung pinoprovoke niya ako.
Okay.
Na, hindi, ano tayo? Ganito tayo. Hindi, wag. Nandyan yung bata.
Natuloy ka naman doon sa wedding.
Tinapos ko. Tinapos ko talaga yung wedding.
Okay.
Few days after wedding, Holy Week.
Okay.
Wala na.
Umalis ka na.
Umalis na ako.
Okay.
With
So
my
now, years
eyeglasses,
after?
iPad, and cellphone.
Yun lang dala mo.
Yung dala ko.
Oh my
And
God.
passport. I made sure.
So this, of course, this was a number of years ago. So now,
Yeah, 6
so
years.
wow, 6 years. Bilis. Grabe, 6
6
years na, no? Duman lang kasi yung
2018,
pandemic eh.
No, 7 na pala. 7
Yeah,
na.
I guess this is before
7.
pandemic.
Yeah,
Okay, how
7
time
years.
flies.
Wow.
So 7 years ka nang being withheld of your role as a mother. So how do you cope, and how is it now? How is life now being a mother that a role that you want to play but you're not being allowed to play?
Actually, mga 2 years na kung hindi naging mother. Kasi at first, we were able to talk. And then suddenly, my kids were not allowed. Parang, they were checking on my message. I messaged them every day.
Mhm.
But they cannot respond. And the only time my son will respond kung may sasabihin yung papa niya. Utos.
Okay.
Utos lang siya.
But how do you know na nakikita nila yung messages mo?
Seen, syempre, Facebook.
Paano kung hindi sila yung nagbabasa?
Ayun lang. Yun lang. Okay lang. Basta na seen. And I never said anything against him.
Mhm.
I made sure. I didn't say anything against him. It was more of telling them how much I love them, I miss them. Ganun.
Mm.
Almost 2 years. And it's difficult. Kasi I'm a hands-on mom.
So speaking of never saying anything against him, so up to now, you're still trying to maintain a certain kind of pace with your ex-husband.
Yes, of course.
Mhm.
Just a week ago, I went to his, province. Alam mo yung tinanggal ko na yung hiya.
Okay. Dumiretso ka na lang. Uninvited.
Uninvited na. As in, bawal akong pumasok. I begged his relatives to help me.
Okay.
Talagang, for the first time nila ako nakita, di alam na pamilya nila story ko. Wala akong sinabi against him, wala akong sinabihan. Pumunta ako doon, sinabi ko, I really wanna see my kids. Enough na po yung pagbigay ko ng chance sa kanila na hiningi nila sa akin na lumayo muna. So yun, pumunta ako doon, binantayan niya kami, tapos hindi niya papakita sa akin yung anak ko, saying na she doesn't want to see me. But nung nilabas niya, we hugged.
Oh.
Sabi niya, she doesn't want to see me, she doesn't love me. Basta ang dami niya. No, di totoo. Kasi when I asked my daughter, when I told my daughter, I miss you, she said, I miss you, mama. I love you, mama. And then she said, ayaw ka nga niya makita. Alam mo, funny if she doesn't want to talk to me and she doesn't want to see me, tinanong ko, ano favorite color mo? Blue, mama. Kasi di ba pag ang tao ayos sa'yo, hindi ka sasagot.
Yes, yes. Mhm.
Blue, mama. Sabi ko, I thought pink. Kasi I brought you a bag na pink. Yeah, it's still pink. And then she looked at his dad and then she paused. And I told her, kasi I brought that bag for you, the pink bag. Ano, mama, I don't need that anymore. Okay. Now I get it. Alam mo yung,
Natatakot sila.
kasi sabihan niya na, bilisan yan. May madali ako. Alam mo kung, if I was the princess before, nakipag-away ako.
Mhm.
But for my kids, sabi ko, pasensya na. 2 minutes. Just give me 2 minutes.
But
Kasi
was it worth it? Was it worth going there,
Yes.
going through the shame just to see your kids
Oo.
and to get a hug from kids? It was worth it.
Yes, kasi alam mo, when you're a mom, there's something wrong. So I had to do it.
Mhm. So na sense mo that there was something.
There's
Okay.
something wrong.
That's why you had to go. Okay.
Yes. Pero good thing was, I made peace to myself. Hindi ako galit sa kanya.
Okay.
I even
Punta
thank
tayo dun sa
him.
galit. So, where are we at forgiveness? Your forgiveness towards him and yourself.
Alam mo, you know that everything I do, I pray. I go to church. I pray for my children.
Mhm.
I pray for him.
Wow. You pray for him.
Oh yes, kung pupunta ka sa church, makikita mo pangalan niya.
Oh, galing.
Pinapamisahan ko kasi one way of forgiving myself is, forgiving them is forgiving myself. And my way of forgiving is praying for them.
Mhm.
Kasi I cannot do anything I can't do anything much, but just to pray for them. And when I saw him, there was no negativity. I was more of, parang, sige, hindi pa siya ready, hindi pa siya okay. Yun. Maraming nangyari sa buhay niya, maraming namatay sa buhay niya. Okay. So I won't hate him. I'm here for my children. So alam mo yung nangyari sa akin, natuto ako maging focus on
Mhm.
something. When I do something, it's there. It's just there. At that moment, I'm there at that moment. Nothing more, nothing less. It's just, at that moment, my kids. I need to show them, I need to tell them how much I don't care what people say. I have to do it. So yun ang naging ko. Naging focus ko, naging goal ko. And okay na yung naramdaman niya. I respect. Whatever he feels, respect.
So, na-accept mo na rin siya.
Oh yes, matagal na.
Okay.
Matagal ko na na-accept kahit yung ginawa niya sa akin sa paglayo ng mga bata. There was a time na tinago niya. Intindi ko na lang.
At pinatawad mo na siya.
Matagal na. Kasi hindi naman ako magiging okay.
Mhm.
Kasi niniwala ako when you're full of negativity, blessings
Mhm.
doesn't come in. Walang blessing sa buhay mo. Walang good thing. Wala kang nakitang good thing. So, I chose to be more understanding. Kasi if there's one thing I've learned is everyone in our lives, but even our friends or family, they're here for a reason,
Mhm.
a season, and a lifetime.
Wow, I love it. Okay.
Yeah, so may rason nangyari. May season na ganon.
There was a time in your lives that you loved each other.
Oh yes,
Yes.
yeah, oo.
Mhm.
May reason, nag-anak kami.
Mhm.
For a season, for 13 years. And lifetime, I'm praying na sana maging forgiving siya.
So ngayon nandito ka na sa season ng self-love, tama ba?
Oh yes.
So
Oo, sobrang love.
what is self-love para sa isang Princess April?
Choosing your battle.
Mhm.
You don't have to fight if it's not worth it. Diba? Self-love is respecting yourself, choosing yourself. Okay ba to? Will this give me peace? Will this give me joy? Will I be okay with this? If not, wag. Wag mong gawin. Baka masira ulo mo. Diba? So yun lang. You just choose every day. Make a choice every day. Make a decision every day. If you choose to be sad, then you'll be sad. If you choose to be mad, then you'll be mad. Sino kawawa? Ikaw, di ba?
Tama.
So, makikita naman yan sa face mo, sa aura mo eh. So, I choose to be forgiving, understanding, peaceful, and I don't like negativity.
Nice.
Alam mo yan.
Tama, tama. So,
Bawal
Princess,
sa atin yan.
okay. So, do you have a message sa ating mga audience on, especially for those people who are having difficulty on choosing themselves, in choosing to love themselves?
Okay, first, you have to know your problem. Kailangan bang ayusin ngayon o tsaka na? And don't forget to pray. Wala. Kahit anong problema, kahit ano, if you don't pray, if you don't ask for God's guidance, God's protection, my prayer is always acceptance, understanding, and peace. If you don't have that, it will be difficult to love yourself. Then everything follows. And of course, you have to take care of yourself. Work out. Choose the people you're working with. Choose the people you're surrounded with. Because if you're with a bad side, then you'll have a bad day.
Okay.
But if you choose good people, happy people, positive people, then everything will be okay.
Thank you. Thank you for that message, Princess. And thank you for sharing with us that, sometimes the bravest thing to do is to choose peace.
Yeah. World peace.
Well, okay. So, well, that's all. I don't want to grill you. Grill you talaga. Grill you. So, just to our audience, please, I hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you have friends who'd love to, you think would love to hear a little bit about self-love and about choosing themselves, please do share this. Thank you so much again, Princess. And
Thank you. And
thank
good
you
luck.
for being with us at Positively Bien.
Anytime.
Visit ka pa siya. Isa pa. Yan na. Roll na yan.
Sa dami nang nangyayari sa mundo ngayon, no, ang dami-daming issues, ganyan. I think everyone needs positivity and a different point of view.
And being in a world which allows everyone to be their true and authentic selves.
Decided to choose yourself.
It's love. Love has no discrimination.
Kailangan talaga go yung strong.
When you're a mom, there's something wrong. So I had to do. Pero good thing was, I made peace to myself. Hindi ako galit sa kanya.
Welcome back to Positively Bien. Welcome back to Positively Bien.